Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Randall Ray. Welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to do a little bit of a tribute to the great, the one and only Bob Marley.
Have you made a lot of money out of your music?
Money. I mean, how much is a lot of money to you?
Yeah, that's a good question. Have you made, say, millions of dollars?
No.
Are you a rich man?
When you mean rich, what you mean?
Do you have a lot of possessions? A lot of money in the bank?
Position make you rich? I don't have that type of richness. My richness is life, forever.
Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the video. You guys may have noticed I changed direction a few times. I originally started cutting out the face and the darker area of the stencil and painting it black there. I decided to repaint that in purple, so go back to the door colors and make everything match and flow together, and then I just took a black marker and did an outline so it pops the way I want it to. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already, and I do have a quick question for you guys. If you are a Bob Marley fan, let me know your favorite quote and or song of his in the comments below. In the meantime, hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for tuning in. Let me know what you think of the piece.